Hello my beautiful friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup, sprinkled with a bit of fashion and some in-betweens. So if this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like and share with a friend. Remember to turn on your post notification bell, that way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so I have some Maybelline lipsticks here. I don't know how new they are, but they're new to me. I haven't seen these inside the store, so I picked up 5 of them. So a few of them are nude and we have different colors. So I'm going to be trying these out with you guys, and you let me know what you think. So these are a Maybelline. Alright, so it doesn't really say anything special on there. These are just some cream lipsticks from Maybelline. Maybelline Rouge. This color I have here, it says it's 336. It says pink for me. So I don't know if that will focus. If not, I always leave them down below. So I'm going to try them on first. I'm going to put them on first, right? And then we'll try a pencil after. So it's kind of cream, so let's see how it looks. Feels nice. Okay, it feels good. Yeah, it feels very, very good. Right, so this one is pink for me, right? So I think I'm gonna put on like a plum pencil with this one, so you could see how it looks. So we have this pencil here from Milani. What's the color? Sugar Plum. So let's try her out. Let's see how it looks. And guys, these were only $5.54. Okay, look at the quality. Look at the packaging. It looks good, right? The colors at the bottom. I mean, this is plastic, but hey. So this is pink for me. Okay, let's move on to the next one. It feels really, really good. Moisturizing, nice and soft. When you're trying on foundation, when you're trying on lipstick, always go back over your mouth, like the edge, with your foundation brush, just in case some of your foundation's like gone from the sides. All right, so let's just pick one. We're gonna try and leave the nude colors for last, right? So this one is called Lust for Blush. 665. Yeah. Okay, that's the packaging. And yeah, 665 there. If this thing would focus, I think. There you go. I think you saw that, and that's the color. All right, let's try this one. See what's the difference. This one is matte. Sorry guys, I couldn't see it. This one's matte. You could tell the difference. Okay. She's pretty. I think this one looks good on me. All right. So since she's more in the purplish family, we're gonna use the same pencil. Like a plum, that's more like a wine. You know what? Hold on, guys. I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place pencil in wine. It's like a wine color. Let's see how that looks. This one's pretty. Good. Okay. What do you think? Very pretty. I love this one. Ooh, I'm gonna wear this a lot. I don't know if it's fall, winter, I don't know what shade, but we're gonna wear it. So this one is, what is it called? Lust for Blush. Okay, on to the next. We're almost done, guys. We have a few more. The next one I'm going to try is, let's see. All right, this one is $3.73. All right, this one is a cream. This one's cream, and it's called Mauve for Me. Is that what that says? Yeah, Mauve for Me. Like mauve, the color mauve. And that's how she looks. All right, let's put her on. Ooh. Okay. This one's pretty. It's cute, right? And I think you can even wear it without a gloss, without a pencil. But I'm gonna try this pencil here. Let me stop talking. This is how it's looking without the pencil. I think you can wear it like this. I'm going to try it with this NYX pencil, Line Out Loud in Rebel Kind. I think this is a MAC. It's a dupe for MAC Chestnut. Personally, I swatched them and they look the exact. I feel like it's too hard to glide on the lipstick, so we're gonna go back to Juvia's Place brown liner. This one's softer. The pencils aren't showing up how I want them to show up. I have this Maybelline pencil here. I just did a video with this. It's the Lifter liner. Let's put a little bit on the outer part. Okay. That looks good. Alrighty, so which one was this one? Yeah, Mauve for Me. Mauve for Me. Alright. Alright, we have two more. I think they're pretty. You can put some gloss on, you know, if you like. The next one, I'm just gonna pick one. This one is called Nude Lust. Yep, Nude Lust. The packaging they're so cute, right? And that's the color. Hey, this reminds me of one of the MAC ones that came out the other day. Let's see if it's a dupe for something. Alrighty. It could be. I don't know which one. This one's a cream also. Okay. Cute. That's how it looks. It's not as bad that you need a liner, but you know. We want a liner. Let's try this little sorry pencil again. See if it will glide this time. I never put my lipstick on and then pencil normally, so that could be the problem. Okay, what do you think? Cute, cute, cute. This one is Nude Lust. What do you guys think? You like it? All right, for the last one, I think I'm going to put on a liner first. Let me show you the color. This one is pretty. I think this is going to be my fave. Maybe? And this one is called Almond Hustle. Yep. I have to make sure I can see it, guys. Almond Hustle. Okay. This time we're going to line our lips first. All right. Because I think I'm going to try this pencil again. Maybelline pencil. All right. Let's see how she looks. Ooh. Okay. This is different. Very peachy with a hint of brown, I think. All right. What do you think? The pencil is a little standout-ish. Go back over the liner. Oh, it's pretty. What do you guys think? Now, I have this gloss here that I've been dying to use. It's from e.l.f. The name of the color is called Chocolux. Chocolux. It looks like this. Let's try it on top and see. It's like a lip oil. Let's see what it's giving. That looks pretty. This looks pretty over this. Put some more. I'm gonna leave this one on. Yes, guys, so those are my lipstick. Let me just look at something. This one was a cream also. What's your favorite color? Which one do you love the most? I love this one. I love all of them, really. This one, and I love this one. So this one is Mauve for me, and this one, oh, I don't think I told you guys the name of the last one. Oh, the name of the no. Hold on, guys. I picked up one that I didn't tell you guys about. Okay, so Almond Hustle and Mauve for me. Listen, I can't pick one. You guys need to pick one and let me know. Let me know which one you like. It's cute. Let me know which one you guys like, okay? So that's my little video with my little lipstick. Let me swatch them really quick. Hold on, guys. Let me swatch them. So this is pink for me. I'm gonna swatch them and then show them to you. Pink for me. Mauve for me. All right. And the first one was Lust for me. Let's put Lust for me up here. And then we have Nude Lust. I'll put this one right here. I hope these swatches are good. And then we have Almond Hustle. Let's put this one right here. Ooh. Alright, guys. Let's see how my swatches look. So these are the colors here. Right? So if you're my color, let me know. And you know what? I saw someone did this the other day and I thought it was clever. They put the color in the palm of their hand, and that's just to say, like, if someone's lighter, on a lighter shade, then you'll see kind of how this would look on them if they're not as brown. So I'm gonna try it. I think that's a clever idea. Because, you know, some are lighter than us. So we have to include everyone. I think that was a brilliant idea. All right, and I hope it shows up on the camera. All right, so these are all the colors. These are for my lighter friends, and this is for my darker friends. My darker friends and my lighter friends. So there you have it, guys. I hope that you enjoy. Leave me some comments down and let me know what you think. Let me know if you pick them up. They're only $5 something, and I got them from Walmart. So check them out. Just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this lipstick haul / swatch. Alright, guys, I hope that you enjoy them. I will be sure to leave the links down for all of the colors that I tried today. Alright, guys, if you love this video and love my other content, remember to thumbs up the video. That helps YouTube to push my video out to some other folks. Alright, guys, give the video a thumbs up again. Like I said, share me with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss my upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.